Fugitive businessman and absconding diamond jeweler Mehul Choksi has been arrested in Belgium. The arrest took place on Saturday after Indian agencies, including CBI and ED, submitted an extradition request. 65-year-old Mehul Choksi is the main accused in the 13,500 crore Punjab National Bank fraud case, along with his nephew Nirav Modi. Both of them are accused of using fake letters of undertaking to obtain foreign credit from Indian banks. But Choksi left India in early 2018, just before the fraud came to light. He secured citizenship of Antigua and Barbuda through their citizenship by investment program. Reports suggest that Choksi obtained Belgian residency using false documents where he shifted a year ago. There are claims that he was looking to relocate to Switzerland for further treatment. So what is the PNB scam? How was Mehul Choksi involved in the scam and how was he finally arrested? Let's discuss. The PNB scam is one of the largest financial frauds in the Indian history. The scam involved fraudulent transactions of approximately 13,500 crore rupees. It was orchestrated by none other than Nirav Modi and his uncle Mehul Choksi. Both of them allegedly manipulated the bank's systems to obtain fraud letters of undertaking. These LOUs were used to secure overseas credit for Choksi and Modi's companies, Gitanjali Gems, Diamond R US, Solar Exports, and Stellar Diamonds, which were later found to be shell firms. The LOUs were issued in violation of RBI guidelines and were not recorded in the bank's core systems. So how was Mehul Choksi involved in the scam? The ED has alleged that Choksi and his firms cheated PNB with the help of corrupt bank officials. He obtained the LOUs without following prescribed banking procedures. The scam led to a massive loss to the bank. The CBI and ED have filed 3 charge sheets against Choksi till now, detailing the criminal conspiracy, money laundering, and embezzlement. Here's the timeline of events on how he was arrested. In 2017, Choksi acquired Antiguan nationality. Then in 2018, he fled India and before settling in Antigua, he travelled to USA. In 2019, his nephew Nirav Modi was arrested by the Metropolitan Police in London. Later in March 2023, Interpol revoked the red notice against Mehul Choksi. An Interpol red notice is a request to locate and provisionally arrest a person wanted for prosecution or to serve a sentence. In 2024, Mehul Choksi relocated to Belgium from Antigua along with his wife. In early 2025, reports suggested that Mehul and his wife are considering to settle in Geneva, Switzerland. Later in February 2025 this year, Choksi's legal counsel informed the special court in Mumbai that he is currently in Belgium undergoing treatment for blood cancer. And ultimately in April 2025, Mehul Choksi was detained from a hospital in Belgium where he was reportedly undergoing his treatment. With Mehul Choksi's arrest, other high-profile extraditions are also awaited. But do you think of this? Do share with us in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.